Hey YouTube, welcome back to another. No, it's not a review. It is a unboxing. Normally I don't do unboxings, but it is time for me to unbox the Dutch Beer Collective Brother Beer box from October. We kind of rotate the unboxings from the Dutch Beer Collective box, and it was my turn now. So each month there is a different theme, and this month is it's kind of a big thing over here in the Netherlands. October is always Bockbeer. Um, it's kind of a tradition. Not really the biggest fan of Dutch Bockbeers. I love my German Bockbeers, but the Dutch are mainly. I have an opinion about them, but maybe I'm going to be surprised with the beers in this box. So let's open it up and see what's inside. We got a always get six beers in the box from the Dutch Beer Collective Beer box, and there's also always one mystery beer. So go check out the other guys on the Dutch Beer Collective, Beergeek Holland, Thomas Opent, and Beers with Douglas for their reviews. And at the end of the month, there will be a mystery beer review on all of the channels. So go check that out. Yeah, you got a nice little note in Dutch. As of October 1st, there is there's kind of a kickoff with the Bock beer season. Traditional season with nice autumn beers, dark amber, malty, sweet, soft. That's kind of the flavors are in the Dutch Bock beers. Yeah, I'm kind of curious. So, Brother Bear, thank you very much for sending this box to me and us. To beer and not to beer, that's the question. Nice coasters from Brother Bear, always great. So let's see what's inside. We got ourselves a beer from Bird Brew. It's been ages since I had anything from this one. Lekker in de kou. A Autumn Bock. What's the ABV? 7%. And we got ourselves a beer from Stadshaven Brouwerij. They are out of Rotterdam. Burberry is a brewery from Amsterdam, by the way. And it's a Bubbelbock. 7.8%. There's always a goat on Bock beers in the Netherlands. I have no idea why. Kind of strange if you ask me. We also got a new brewery I have not had any beers from, so that's kind of cool. De toekomst, the future in English. An autumn Bock, 7.0%. Let's see. We got ourselves and a pastry Bock from Two Chefs Brewing, Bock Brûlée. Oh, that's kind of nice. 7%. Let's see another can, which is the mystery beer in a can. So we got 2, 4, 5. There should be one more in the box. Find out where it is. Oh, there it is. Leute? I don't think I ever had any beers from them. 7.5% Bock beer. Where are they? Oh, Brouwerij van Steenbergen. Belgium. So there you go. 6 Bock beers. Look out for the reviews on my YouTube channel. I will probably review one of these beers and the mystery beer, of course. And go check out the YouTube channels of Beergeek Holland, Thomas Open and Beers with Douglas for all the reviews of this box. And the mystery beer, of course, by the end of the month. Brother Bear, thank you very much for another awesome box. That's about it for this unboxing. Hopefully I will see you again soon with another unboxing. Cheers.